Good morning, my dear students. I am Farha Banu. Welcome back once again in my class. In the previous video, we were discussed about lesson 5, Just Imagine. In this video, we will continue the rest part of the poem. Now, it's time for the solution of your previous homework. Your previous homework was learn and write 8 lines of the poem Just Imagine. I hope you all have done your homework, 8-line poem. Now it's time to continue the rest part of the poem. Now the third stanza is all about giraffe. Just imagine if giraffe had to wear tie around their necks like I do to school every day. Just imagine how long those tie would be and how they would dangle, flutter and sway. My dear students, here the poet want to say that if giraffe had to wear tie around their neck, then just imagine if giraffe had to wear tie around their necks like I do to school every day, like you people are also doing the same. You are wearing tie at the time of when you are going to ready for your school. Like same, if giraffe had to wear tie around their necks like I do to school every day, just imagine how long those tie would be, because the neck of a giraffe is too long. Then just imagine how long those tie would be, means how many meters they need to tie for ties, and how they would dangle, flutter and sway. Here my dear students, here flutter means tied or attached to something, and tangle means mix up and twisted. We will study further, but here fastened means this will also help you in the next stanza, but here we are discussing about giraffe. Now if giraffe had to wear ties around their neck like I do to every day, just imagine how long those tie would be, how many meters they need for ties, how they would dangle, flutter and sway, how many time they take to make a tie. They would dangle, they will fold and mold, they will make the ties. Now the next one, if centipedes had to wear boots with laces. Centipede, did you know the meaning of centipedes? It's an small insect having 6 or 8 or 12 pair of legs. So here if centipede had to wear boots with laces all fasten and tie up tight, means fasten means, here you can see my dear students, fasten means fixed. First of all fixed, and another meaning is tied or attached to something. So here if centipede had to wear boots with laces, if centipedes had to wear boots with laces all fasten and tie up tight, just imagine, you can imagine what a tangle of legs there would be. How many mixed up and twisted legs would be to tangle there. If just one of those laces wasn't done up right. Just imagine what a tangle of legs there would be. How many tangle of legs there would be if just one of those laces wasn't done up right. Means if one of those laces which have to tangle, which have to fixed fastened, if those laces wasn't done up right, just imagine what a tangle of legs there would be. Now the last one. If children's like me had wings like bird. If children's like me had wings like birds, with which we could fly and soar up high. Just imagine how many children there would be zooming about in the sky. You can see on your screen here, children are flying in the sky. So here the last stanza, if children's like me means if children's like you, my dear students, had wings like birds, had wings like birds, with which means with which we could fly and soar up sky. Just imagine how many children there would be zooming in the sky. Means if the children had wings like bird, which they could fly and soar up the sky like birds. And just imagine how many children there would be zooming in the sky. There would be zooming in the sky. This is your poem. I hope you all have understood your lesson 5 poem. Now it's time for your homework. Your homework is write word meaning of the following. Here first one, A, write meaning of sparkling. Second, fastened. Third, tangle. And I request you to read your lesson 5, just imagine poem once again at your home. And in the next video, we will revise once again lesson 5, just imagine. Up to that, thank you so much. God bless you.